How to fix the issue of DNS server isn't responding in laptop or PC. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly go to Start menu. In the search box, simply search for Control Panel application. Once you do, simply click on Open in the list and shortly the window of Control Panel will appear on your screen. From Control Panel, simply go to Network and Sharing Center. On your left hand side, you will see the option of Change Adapter Setting. Once you click on it, you can simply see your DNS server here. Double click on it, go to its property, choose the option of Internet Protocol version. Now here in this tab, go to Use the following DNS server and modify the preferred and alternate DNS server. In preferred, simply enter 8.8.8.8. and in alternate DNS server enter 8.8.4.4. After that, simply click on OK. Then after your problem should have been fixed. Now the second method is to click on your Ethernet here. At the top in the same network connection, choose the option of Diagnose Disconnection. Then after automatically, if there is any problem in your connection, then it will be fixed by your computer. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.